a turtle. Oh, it's a snapper? Does someone have a stick to push it out with? Wait, wait. What, do you know which way its head was? Oh! Oh! Amanda, get out! Yeah, those will take off your finger.
You can grab him by the tail and he'll be okay.
What? What?
He can't come around on you. There's a turtle right there.
Oh my god, that thing is...